Where's Guy?
I think I'm his new pet.
Ooh, that's rough.
What's he saying, Guy?
The aged wise one has decreed, because we have no bananas for the monster, you will be.
I think I can translate from here, Guy. They're saying the oafish caveman will grow bananas for them, watering the fields with his bitter tears. Ooh. And naturally, they want me to supervise.
Not what they said.
You can't speak Punch, monkey.
Can I not? Monkeys, I have mastered your zesty and expressive language.
No, you haven't.
Let me talk a little Punch, monkey.
To bed! Oh, what do you have to say to this?
You know what? Let me fix this. Do you mind? Can I take this? Thanks.
Do not interrupt me.
You stop interrupting me!
You two, stop it! I'm trying to get us out of this. I'm in good with these monkeys. I have a job. And you two, you're gonna mess it up. Like you mess up everything. Like you messed up my beautiful teenage romance.
Guy, son, please understand. It's Grug's fault. Get him, Guy!
I am not on your side. Yeah, he's with me. I'm not on yours either. I recognize those broad shoulders.
Oh, Eep, you came for me. Oop. Ah. What are you doing?
Where you going, Phil? Your man cave. Here. You can hide from your family. But you can't hide from me.
Well, your precious pack is glad you're gone. 'Cause you smother them.
Oh, well, you built a wall around your family. But you also built a wall around your heart.
Oh, you know what you are.
I'll tell you what you are.
You're
A bad father.
Words as weapons? You're just a cave girl. It's called a shower. Try it. I told her to take a shower. Who does that? You did. Oh, Eep.
Congratulations, Phil. You hit me where it hurts.
likewise.